So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Roblox app failing to launch and connect to the server on the desktop. So guys, to quickly fix the failing to launch or connect to the server, so guys, first of all clear your corrupted Roblox caches. So you run the app as administrator and check for the network blocks. So guys, first of all clear your Roblox temporary and the cache files. For this, press window plus R. So guys, here I am show you the step of how to clear cache. Actually this is my Mac, so I am unable to perform all the steps related to the Windows. So here I am simply search clear temporary files in Windows. Now here you see that it suggests you the steps. Okay, and if possible I check one image. Okay, so guys, here you check, this is the way that you can do. So guys, first of all you press Windows plus R. Okay, where you simply search percentage local app dot data. After that guys, you getting this file. Now you mark all the unnecessary files and simply select and click and delete all the files. Okay, this is the way that you can do. Another thing is guys, you try to adjust the administrative setting. For adjusting the administrative setting, so here I am show you how run Roblox in administrator as administrator. So guys, here it is very simple, just right click on your game and here you simply like this, here you check. First of all open your game, then right click on it and guys simply select run as the administrator. So this is the way that you can done. Another thing is guys, you try to fix your network and the firewall. So guys, if you facing the error like error code 277 or 279, so first of all you flush your DNS key plus S, then check your firewall Windows Defender firewall in the Windows search bar and click allow app or features through Windows Defender firewall and click the change setting and ensure your Roblox is checked for the public and the private network. Then guys, change DNS. For changing the DNS, go to the control panel, then network and the sharing center, then change adapter settings, then right click your active connection, select the properties and click the internet protocol version 4 and select the properties, choose use the following DNS server address and set the preferred network to 8.8.8 and alternative 8.8.8.4. For tip on how properly clear the browser and the local cache to bypass infinite loop screen, so you check out some YouTube videos to fix these issues. Okay, then guys, you try to use the Microsoft app while the standalone web installer is common. So sometimes recent update conflict with the specified hardware. So Roblox app on the Microsoft Store can natively on Windows often bypass the website issues. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.